Hello friends, today we are going to see how to plot multiple plots in a single window. So we are straightforward going for a new script file, putting some command line as this code is written to get multiple plots. We start with the three basic instructions, that is CLC, clear the screen, clear variables, and close all. So we can have any function at place. Take a simple example of sin x and cos x. So in this case we need to define the x range first. So x we can define as, it starts with the initialization with 0. We can have pi divided by 100 instead of this pi divided by 100, and up to 2 pi we can have. So this is a range that we have set. We need to define the functions with another variable that we can choose any function like f1, which is equivalent to sine of x, and f2, that is cos of x. Now we can plot on xy axis these two functions. So we need to use the command like plot x comma f1 comma x comma f2. So this gives us the two different plots in the same window. Also we can label the plot, like label the x-axis as x label, and y label, we can have the title to the graph, as multiple plots. So this is a total program for this particular range. We are going to get these two functions like f1 and f2, that is sin x and cos x, right? So we will run this program. We will save first and then run it. We'll have a same file name like multiple plots, mulplot. Then it will show the graph. This blue line function, continuous line, indicates the sine function, and green, it shows the cos function. So this is a very simple xy plot. We can add the colors to this particular plots also. So there are basically yellow, magenta, cyan, red, green, blue, white and black colors that we can add it. So if we want to have the magenta color, and we can have the continuous line, solid line, fine. We can have the dotted lines, and we can have a dash dot with dot lines, or we can have a dashed line, fine. So this kind of line styles we can have along with the marker styles. Likewise, a point, a circle, X marks, plus marks, star marks, square marks, diamond marks, triangle marks, like up and down, triangle up and down, triangle left and right, then pentagon, then hexagon, such kind of marker styles we can have. Now here in this case, for sin x function, we are going to have a magenta color and with a solid line. So we need to mention it with a comma of with the first function, and we need to mention it in a single quote, that if we want to use the magenta color, that we need to mention it M, and if we want to have a solid line, then we need to have only just dash. This we need to mention it in a single quote. And function 2, we can for function 2 we can mention it in terms of the same fashion, that single quote. If you want to go for the red color, then we need to go for R and dash. So single quote complete. So we can run this program and let's see how it's a unexpected MATLAB expression error. So just we want to verify this. We need to make a separation for two different plots. Then we are going to get this particular first sine function, fine, in a magenta color, and cos function in a red color. So such kind of color, line colors we can change. And suppose if you want to have the dotted continuous dotted line, then we can have R colon, then again we can run it and get this particular dotted plot for the cos. Similarly we can go for the sine also. So such kind of line styles we can change, and we can change the markerless styles also. So if you want to go for round, then we can change it to MO. Then we can go for this kind of markers on sine function. Such kind of another way we can have the plus, M plus, and here R we can change it to M star. So I can run it and get this particular plots accordingly. So magenta color, sin x, and with plus, and cos function with the star. So such kind of plots we can make it out. So we are coming to the end. Thanks for watching. Take care.